Managing projects can be challenging, but what if you had a powerful assistant to help you with every step? Today I'm sharing some of the best AI-powered project management tools that you can start with, especially if you're new to these technologies. That means you can take those tools and start using them right after watching this video. My name is Maciek. I started my journey with IT project management 7 years ago with no experience. I did it, everyone can do it easily. It means the world to me if something I shared one day is useful for you. Let's dive right in. The first and the most obvious one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Need help drafting a project plan or brainstorming solutions for a tricky problem? ChatGPT has you covered. I personally use it for brainstorming ideas, generating ideas for project tasks, automating responses for common questions, and even creating project briefs. ChatGPT is an excellent tool if you're allowed to feed it with your documents or want to generate a summary or point out bullet points. On a daily basis, you can use it instead of Google for searching, so you can be sure you are not distracted by Google ads or any fluff. ChatGPT is a game changer because it's like having a virtual assistant at your fingertips. You can ask it anything and it's ready to help with ideas, insights, or even shortcuts for daily tasks. Perfect for boosting productivity and creativity on the go. When it comes to pricing, its basic form is completely free, so you can try it right away. The next one is Grammarly. Grammarly might surprise you on the list, but hear me out. As project managers, you'll spend a lot of time communicating, whether it's via email, chat, or reports. Grammarly's AI-driven writing assistant ensures that everything you write is clear, concise, and error-free. You can even customize the tone to make sure your messages are as professional or friendly as needed. Grammarly is like your personal editor, making sure nothing slips through the cracks in your communications. It's an essential tool to keep everything polished and professional, especially when you're dealing with stakeholders or senior management. As with ChatGPT, basic plan for Grammarly is free. I strongly encourage you to try Grammarly when writing your next email. Just paste it to Grammarly and you'll see a huge difference in your mail shape. Okay, it's time to talk about Notion. Notion is already super popular as an all-in-one workspace, but with its AI-powered features, it's even more useful for project managers. Notion AI can help summarize meeting notes, draft project updates, and organize your tasks lists. It's beneficial for staying on top of documentation without getting overwhelmed. Think of Notion as your digital notebook that organizes itself. Plus, it's flexible enough to accommodate your templates and workflows. And the best part? You don't have to switch between apps to keep track of things. Pricing is free with the basic plan. I use the Notion desktop app and it's my primary personal task management app. Definitely worth trying. And the last one is the tool specially designed for project management. Dart. Dart is an AI-powered project management tool that's perfect if you're looking for a way to centralize all your project information. It automatically organizes your tasks, tracks your project timeline, and even predicts potential roadblocks. What makes Dart stand out is its ability to analyze data from previous projects, giving you insights to help make better decisions on current and future ones. For me, as a no-estimate enthusiast, this is an excellent feature. Imagine you're managing multiple projects. Dart will give you an overview of each project's status in real time, helping you stay ahead of any issues. This makes it an excellent choice for busy project managers looking to keep everything in one place. Up to 4 teammates, Dart is free, so you can try it to manage your personal task or within your small team or beginner startup. So there you have it, the best AI project management tools to get you started. Pick one and test it right after this video. Find the link in the description, you'll be surprised. One quick remark at the end. Before using those tools on your real projects, make sure what is your company privacy policy about them. Some companies do not permit using ChatGPT. Just check it for your safety. By the way, if you ever consider if AI will make project managers unemployed, I created a video about that. You can find it in the upper right hand corner or in the description.